Hello, hello, good morning, and thank you for joining us on this edition of A Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. I want to talk about something a little bit different today. I really wanted to talk to you guys today about January goal setting. It's a new year, and we're coming from one of the hardest years that I can remember in my lifetime. 2020 was rough, and now we're in January, and a little tidbit about January. January is actually named after the Roman god Janus. Janus is the Roman god of gates and time. So he has two heads, one facing forward and the other head facing backwards. It is said that Janus is constantly studying the past while he's preparing for the future, while he's preparing for tomorrow, which I think is ideal to do this time of year, where we come off a year that had a lot of hardship. I know a lot of people that lost their jobs. I know a lot of people that had loved ones sick, and a lot of people lost them loved ones, right? So now is the time to reflect on that. But now remember, try to take a lot of the good that happened in 2020 and try to build on that. Yes, when there's bad, there's also good. I myself, decided to open up my own business. I have loved ones that started their own business as well, moved upstate, bought new homes, went into new ventures, right? Now is the time for us to plan, to really take into consideration the ones we have around us, the loved ones, the successes, and build off of that, right? So in my venture, in my world, it's all about risk management, protection, and finances. So give my agency a call. Let's book an appointment. Let's start early, right? Like, share, comment. Please share your thoughts. We're here to help. Me and my team, we're here to help 6 days a week. Give us a call, 631-390-8568. And we look forward for hearing from you. And thank you for joining us on this Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. Oh, and I finally got an actual Cup of Joe thanks to my team member, Chris, who got this for me for the holidays. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. Bye.